In this video, I'll be going through the steps on how to delete your TikTok account from the app. I'm using this on my Android phone, but I'd imagine it'd be exactly the same on the iPhone app. Alright, so with the app open, click on the little icon, the me icon at the bottom right hand corner, and it'll take you to this page here, your profile. From here you could edit your profile picture if you want, if you hit the edit profile button in the middle, the big red button, but that's not what we're doing here, so let's go back. In the upper right hand corner, hit the little three dots icon next to your name, and it'll take you to your privacy and settings. Now from here, we'll tap on manage my account at the very top. Now from here, you'll get the option to delete your account. It's located at the very bottom, so just whenever you're ready and you're sure you want to delete your TikTok account, just go ahead, hit that, and just confirm, and you are done. Your TikTok account is deleted. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.